What's up guys, it's your girl Brianna, aka Mini Marley, and today I am finally back for a new natural hair tutorial. So of course in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these bomb, bouncy, lightweight curls using Flexirods, but I'm also going to be doing something that I've never done before here on my channel, and I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of two products. So the first product is this one by Shea Moisture, and it's their sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed silicone-free miracle styler, and it's a leave-in treatment. And yeah, we're gonna be putting it to the test against another natural hair product. This one is an oldie but a goodie. Everybody knows about It's a 10 and their miracle leave-in styler, but I've actually never tried it before, so this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be a first impressions for me for both products, but I'm also gonna be comparing them and seeing which one is better. So let's not waste any time, let's jump right into this video. Alright, so my hair has been freshly washed, it's ready to go, and I just have it wrapped up in this microfiber towel to get rid of any excess water. I'm going to be doing Flexirods, and I've always done them on stretched hair, so today I want to do them on damp, basically wet hair. Okay, so on this side of my head, I'm only going to be using the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and then on this side, I'm going to only be using the Shea Moisture Silicone-Free Miracle Leave-In. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with this section in the back and unravel this first twist. I just twisted my hair up while I was in the shower, and I wanted to give you a little texture shot. So let's start off with the Shea Moisture product on the left side of my head, and I'm basically only using about 4 squirts. I squirted this directly into my hand, and now I'm applying it to this section. I was actually surprised that the product was kind of a little bit thick, you know, it wasn't super watery, which gave me a little bit of moisture, and I love that because I normally wouldn't only use a leave-in for any style. In fact, I barely use leave-ins, but this was actually pretty good, and it also gave me some slip when detangling this little section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my Flexirod. I really make sure to secure the end so I get a nice curl, and then I'm just winding this all the way up. So I'm just moving to the next section, adding some more of that product, making sure that it's really distributed through that section. I'm gonna detangle it and add my next Flexirod. Alright, so let's talk about my first impression of this product so far. I really love the nozzle at the top. It's really great for distributing the product, and it also really gave me some nice slip when it came time for detangling that little section, so that was nice. Like I said, I'm really surprised by how thick this leave-in was. It gave me a little bit of moisture, which is nice, and it's something that I look for if I'm gonna use a leave-in. Alright, so moving on to the next side, here is my It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, and I'm just spraying this one directly onto my hair. I also used about 4 sprays of this for each section, and then I'm going to detangle it just like I did before with my fine-tooth comb, and then start wrapping my hair onto the Flexirod. Again, I just really make sure that I wrap the end of my hair really nice and neatly while I'm installing the Flexirod, because the curl at the end, you really want it to be nice and neat and not frizzy. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this section. But my first impression of the It's a 10 product, it was also fine, not bad. Alcohol is the second ingredient on this product, and I kind of got that alcohol-y feeling, but it wasn't horrible. It also gave me some nice slip when detangling, and yeah, I think it pretty much did the job. We'll just have to see what the results are. So I would normally do my Flexirods on stretched blow-dried hair, but since I was only using one product today, I really wanted to test this out and just go for a more fluffy, bouncy look with this hair. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. And like I said, I would typically never just use any leave-in spray or leave-in styler as a standalone product, but I really wanted to test this out. I also did use a little bit of setting foam for this, but really that was just for hold and again, I used the same setting foam on both sides of my head, and I made sure that it was neither a Shea Moisture product or an Instant 10 product so that we could really see which of these two is better. So this is what my hair is looking like when I'm finished installing all of those Flexirods, and I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and then I just slept with the rods in my hair overnight so that they could finish drying. It's time to remove these bad boys, and as you can see, I'm just unwinding them, taking those curls out, and this is what they look like. These curls came out so soft and bouncy, I could already tell at this point that this style was about to be bomb. But here is the Shea Moisture side compared to the It's a 10 side. What do you guys think? I definitely feel like the Shea Moisture product gave me more shine. I've never done one of these videos and I was really nervous. So I'm like, what if it looks exactly the same? But I definitely think that the Shea Moisture product gave me more shine. So I'm about to start unraveling right now, and I'm just going through separating these curls one by one and coiling them around my finger as I always do. Alright, so let's talk about these products in the meantime. So head to head, both of these products pretty much claim to do the exact same thing. They're supposed to be a good thermal protectant if you decide to use heat. They'll help you reduce frizz, add shine, and detangle. Now the first thing I noticed is packaging. I definitely like the cute little squirt nozzle on the Shea Moisture bottle as opposed to the spray bottle, but that's not a huge deal for me. Also, price. Now this is only the 2-ounce travel size of the It's a 10, but the normal 4-ounce bottle is gonna run you about $16 versus the Shea Moisture product, which is 8 ounces for also $16. So you're gonna get about half the product for the same exact price, which is a huge no for me on the It's a 10 side. And most importantly, ingredients. Shea Moisture for me is just a trusted brand where I know I'll always get no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, etc. And in this product, they also have meadow foam seed oil, sugarcane extract, and marshmallow root, the 3 main natural hair friendly ingredients in this bottle. Versus the It's a 10 product where the ingredients weren't horrible, but there weren't many natural hair friendly ingredients. So based on these 3 points and the fact that I had more shine on the left side of my head, I definitely think that the Shea Moisture silicone free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment takes the cake for me. So I'm just gonna finish up this look by slicking down my edges. Look how crazy I look. And also adding a few bobby pins for interest. And here is the finished look. Overall, I love the look. My hair is so nice and bouncy, and I'll definitely be doing more Flexirod sets on damp hair. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it was really nice and easy to follow. If you did, please let me know in the comments below because I would love to do more of these comparison videos. And also, which product do you guys think won? Based on what you guys saw in the video, let me know down below. Let me know which one you'll be picking up next. But yeah, I think that's about it. So until next time, peace out guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Go. Got us almost every night.